a farm made with love. You know, where there is Felbeck TV, there is love. So come on, I'm inviting each and every one of our subscribers, our viewers, come to this and co farms to get your birds. These are healthy birds and they are big. Look like myself. Welcome all our new subscribers. We love you, mwah, mwah, mwah. And to our returning viewers, you know how we'll do it. The love is big. We love you all. As you can see from my background, today I'm in the farm. Yay! Yeah, so my husband posted a video earlier about revamping of my in-laws farm. So today I'm here to visit them, yes, and to know how they run things. Yes, Charlie, I can't be left out. I have to feel it so that when I'm chewing the chicken, I know that me too, I did the work some. Yeah, so come with me, let's go in and have some fun. Come along. Basically, I'm coming to help them feed the birds, help them watch their water trough, how they mix their vitamins in the water and all that. So I just want to be involved in that part. The other ones are manual work. The feminine ones that I can do, I'm coming to do them. Yeah. So come along, let's feed the birds. Yay! Thank you.
This morning, what are you doing?
I'm washing the drinkers.
Okay. Let's see how you do it.
To rinse the drinkers after washing them.
$5,000 a month. And then you are working, yeah, pay laborers. So are you ready, dear?
I'm coming to give them their medication. Yes, and this is pure vitamin. 1 teaspoon in each water trough. I'm mixing it to be uniform so that the medication will not be stuck underneath the water trough. I'm also making it to make sure that it's dissolved in the water, well dissolved in the water. So you see how this one is. After mixing it or dissolving it, now see how it looks. No lumps inside, well dissolved. So I'll repeat this for all the water trolls. So back to work. I will fill this water trough to the brim with enough water. Power. What I have is woman power. My job here is done. Baby,
Yes, Mrs. Dogbe.
over to you.
Right, so she has done her best. Yeah. So
Hey, it was fast, Papa.
it was fast, eh?
Hey. So why are you putting the stone on it?
Prevent them from jumping on it to come and rest on the water trough.
Okay.
And as well as it will give it the pressure for the water to come out. As
Small.
It goes down.
Okay.
So when they are drinking, then it comes out just like that. So this one is a locally made. Yeah. So if you don't have money for the, the big ones, this is the first one you get.
Allah, boss.
This is Felbeck TV.
Yeah, tell them. It's a nice experience, guys. But now when you ask me, wait to see me now, but it's all good. This is this and coal farms. The best way to celebrate your Christmas is to celebrate it with a bird or a chicken that comes from a farm made with love. Yes, this is a farm made with love. You know, where there is Felbeck TV, there is love. So come on, I'm inviting each and every one of our subscribers, our viewers, come to this and coal farms to get your birds. These are healthy birds and they are big. Like myself, yes. We'll be waiting for your orders. See you guys. Bye. We out.